Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about AUD USD. And the reason for which I want to break down AUD USD because we are very near to having a good trading opportunity, obviously capitalize on AUD USD. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for AUD USD and we will then going to see what we have from commitment of trader perspective, which is H1 are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help you how to combine technical analysis and sentiment analysis correctly. By the end of video, by using the combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next movement on AUD USD. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. Now generally speaking in the market, if we have impulsive move, what we will expect? It should be create corrective pattern. After that, it should create another impulsive movement continuous to the upside. Specifically for the creation of higher high and completion of impulse correction and impulse pattern. This is market exactly did. Market just completed impulse and correction pattern. After that, market processing another impulsive movement to the upside. As well as we can see nice red candle like doji. Going down into the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, we can see nice corrective pattern after this impulse. So market can easily continues to the upside for the creation of impulse correction and impulse pattern. But important rule which is if created higher high and if resistance area is broken to the upside, that point is previous resistance now turn into the support. So in the monthly and weekly time frame everything quite bullish, but we do expect a short term move to the downside, go and retest this demand before creating continuous to the upside. Going down into the daily time frame, what do we see in the market? In the daily time frame we can see nice resistance area. If market create higher high and if resistance area was broken to the upside, that previous resistance area now turn into the support. But we can't see resistance in this area, but market should move to the downside. So now what we can expect the market retest on the new daily support area and continues to the upside. If we going to see commitment of trader perspective, which is H1 are currently doing in the market. What we can see in the last report. In the last report, net position decreased net position from minus 262 minus 2.8k with added 1.3k short and close 1.2k longs. Currently we have 54.6k long with 57.4k short because we can expect AUD getting weaks against USD. Because of that, overall we can expect AUD USD market should move to the downside. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with core data are the best time frame for the measured direction of the market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bullish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bullish market to the 4-hour bearish market for the enter to the sell trade. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.